Hello, I saw your question here on the discussion board about 19.2. You want to solve the triangle angle A is 37.5 and C is 4.7 millimeters. You left off the part of the picture, I believe is over on the right, of the triangle, which would be really critical. It shows it's a right triangle. You really couldn't solve this if we didn't know this was a right triangle. So that part of the picture was not included. So you got a right triangle here. Here's angle A, B, C. Side A is opposite angle A. Side B is opposite angle B, etc. So you're given angle A. I tried to put it in here, 37.5. You want to find angle B over here. Well, the sum of these two angles is 90 degrees, so you just take the given angle away from 90, and that gives you the unknown angle here. So angle B is 52.5. Since it's a right triangle, you can use your sine cosine to find the missing side. The sine of A is opposite over hypotenuse. Sine of A would equal A over C. So this angle A is, sine 37.5 degrees would be A over C, and C is 4.7. So you just multiply both sides by 4.7. So 4.7 times sine of 37.5 degrees will give you A. Very similarly for B, except you use cosine. Cosine of A equals adjacent over hypotenuse. So cosine of 37.5 would equal B over the hypotenuse 4.7. Multiply both sides by 4.7 and you'll have B. So B would be 4.7 times cosine 37.5 degrees. Hope it helps.